Hey guys, Eli here. In this video, I'm going to talk about why most people don't succeed with e-commerce and how to make sure you do. Now, in this training, we're going to cover why most people don't succeed and how to make sure you do. Now, this is why most people don't succeed with e-commerce. When starting out, most people follow all of the gurus and join all of the Facebook groups. Okay, there are so many gurus out there at the moment, and there are so many Facebook groups for e-commerce. Pretty much for every guru and for every e-commerce group that you join, you're just going to be flooded with success stories, images of 10K, 20K days, even 5K days when you're starting out, and all you're seeing is these amazing success stories. You expect yourself to be able to instantly replicate this kind of success. So you start online, you go follow some gurus who are just posting all these amazing screenshots. Then you go join some Facebook groups because you become more and more excited, and you just keep seeing people posting these amazing screenshots of their success, okay, 10K, 20K, and you just want to replicate it yourself. You expect to be able to see this level of success yourself, but then when you don't, you think that these people must be faking it, or else there's some kind of secret that they have that you don't have. Now, this is what you don't see when you see all those people posting those screenshots. You don't see what's behind the scenes, okay? You don't see the hard work that these people are putting in every single day. You don't see the consistency that they're applying in their lives every single day. You don't see the pure focus and determination that these people have and their willingness to succeed. You don't see how organized and methodically structured these people's days are. You don't see how many products these people actually cycle and test. And you don't see, and probably the most important, you don't see the winning mindset these people have and their pure ability to solve problems and overcome their problems. That's what you don't see. So you might see a few screenshots, but this is the stuff that goes on behind the screenshots that isn't as sexy and that isn't as attractive, especially to newbies. But this is really what you don't see, and this is what you have to understand is going on behind the scenes every time somebody actually posts a screenshot, that is legitimate. Now, this is where most people struggle and where most people come undone. This is the testing phase. Now, the testing phase is very difficult. The truth is, most people don't give themselves a big enough budget when it comes to e-commerce, okay? I recommend most people start off with $3,000 and they have a job so they're not afraid to spend more money if their budget goes down. I see a lot of people, they think maybe $1,000 is enough, and then they get really scared when they start testing and they're not seeing results, okay? So they think, $1,000 is enough, and then maybe they get to 500 and then they start turning off the ads too early because they don't have a job, they're not able to replenish that budget, okay? So that testing budget. So that's really important. Making sure you have enough budget when you're actually starting e-commerce, because understanding that you might not find success straight away, okay? It's actually quite unlikely that you're going to find success straight away. It's not about finding success, and that's what I'll touch on later. But I find that most people, when it comes to starting out with their budget, they give themselves too small of a budget, okay? And that's just the truth. And people who say you don't need much of a budget to start, they're just looking to get likes and subscribes. And the truth is, you need money to start any kind of business. E-commerce is a business, and $3,000 is probably a minimum, to be honest. And you also need a job so you can replenish that income, okay? Testing products can be expensive when you're not seeing results. You need to remember that when you're testing and you're not seeing profit, you're not losing money, you are just investing in data. That data is going to come back to you, and it's either going to be good data or bad data. But regardless, it is just data, and you are only buying data to see what is working and what is not working. Now, most people, they just test a few products. So most people will get really excited when they start e-commerce. They get hooked by the people in front of the Lamborghini. They get hooked by the screenshots, the 5K, 10K days. They expect to be able to replicate, results like that. And when they don't, they get really depressed. So they might test one product, they might test 5 products, they might test 10 products. They might see no results and then they quit, okay? And the truth is, the make money online industry has a lot to do with this kind of mindset and mentality. The make money online industry, it's incredibly hyped up. Everywhere you turn, people are just trying to sell you the fake dream. People are standing in front of their expensive cars that they've, a lot of them have rented, and they make it seem like you don't have to do any work and you can literally sit on a beach somewhere sipping cocktails and make money without doing anything. Okay, so pretty much whenever you look into trying to do some kind of online business, everyone is selling the dream. Okay, and the truth is it's a load of BS and it's a fake dream. Okay, so it's a way to kind of get those likes, get those views on YouTube, especially, selling the really sexy parts where it takes a lot of work. Okay, and over time these posts, they just infect your mind, and these posts, they make you think that this is the case, that you don't have to do much work. It's relatively easy. There's very few problems. You pretty much just start a store, press a button, hit the go button, and you start making money. Now, these posts on YouTube, everywhere, inside of Facebook groups, they make you not want to put in the hard work that it actually takes to become successful. And when you do struggle and you do face some problems, you're not living the dream. You're not living up to this hyped lifestyle. So you quit because it's supposed to be easy, right? That's what they're selling you on. It's supposed to be easy. So when you face a struggle or a problem that comes up, you naturally think, well, this isn't what I signed up for, and then you quit. The truth is that you need to really focus hard on building a skill set and a mindset that will make you successful. If you only break even when you start, you are winning. You are building skills that will transform you into a person who will succeed in any industry or any business model. So I've developed a skill set now that I could take to helping local businesses, okay, with their advertising. I could help people with their copywriting. I could help other e-commerce people, by selling sales funnels. I've developed such a strong skill set over time, but did I have this skill set when I started? No. Did I have this mindset when I started? No. But over time, I've built up this skill set that I can go to affiliate marketing or consulting, that I can actually take that mindset and that skill set and apply it in other areas, okay? So that's what it's going to take, is don't really focus on just trying to make profit. Focus on building a profitable skill set. Now, what you need to focus on when you're starting out, and even now, if maybe you're seeing a little bit of success or no success, you need to test more products. The people who I work one-on-one with, the very first thing I get them to do is to build out a list of somewhere between 40 and 50 products to test. Okay, so I get them to all build out a spreadsheet, like on Google Drive, add 40 to 50 products that they can potentially test. And then they have to keep doing product research and adding to that list every single day. Then make a calendar and try and test 3 products every 3 days. Okay, so you're keeping yourself accountable. You can get a big calendar and say every 3 days, list out the 3 products you're going to test. And then if a product doesn't work, cut it, move on, because you have a whole list of products that you can now go out and test. Okay, so don't get married to a product, just test every 3 days. Have a calendar, schedule in every 3 days the 3 products you plan on testing. Just pull them from your big list, okay, and just do that product research. So start off, make a massive list on Google Drive or Excel on your computer or in a Word document, just somewhere, make a massive spreadsheet. Go out there, find 40 to 50 products, and then each day do a little bit more product research and add more products to this list. And then every 3 days, have a calendar where you list out every 3 days a couple of products that you plan on testing. Really just focus less on the profit. Everyone just wants these immediate results, okay? Everybody is so impatient and they feel like they're entitled for some reason to have 0 skill set, 0 past experience, but they think that they're going to just find success, okay? It's because the industry and all of the videos and, the screenshots and all of that crap, it's made them feel like some sense of entitlement, that they think they can just come in with no skill set, no experience, and somehow they think that they are entitled to some level of success. Okay, that's not the case. The truth is, you need to focus less on the profit when you're starting out. You need to become way more patient. You need to understand that success may take time, and you are learning and developing a skill set that will make you successful long term. And like I talked about, successful across any area. Okay, like I said, I can go take my skill set and find success in other areas because I've developed a strong skill set, a strong mindset, a good work ethic. Okay, and that's what you need to develop. Those people that come in with some delusional sense of entitlement, it's just moronic. Okay, and these people, like, they're never going to succeed if they think that straight away they can get some level of success. It's moronic. Okay, so if that's you, just check yourself and understand that you are building skills. Okay, and when the skills come, the profit will come. It's very rarely the other way around. I more or less plant my flag as the anti-guru. Okay, I really don't like that people are selling the fake dream. I really try not to do that myself. I really try and emphasize the fact that you have to put in the work, you have to put in the time, and you will probably fail, but you have to keep going. Okay, that's really where I plant my flag. Okay, you can find success, but you have to do the work. Don't fall for the trap, the BS, the lie, the fake dream that you can just come in and expect to be successful. I really don't like that. I really don't like that people, like I said, are expecting this to be easy. Okay? Expect this to be hard work. The upside is massive, but expect it to be hard. Do not get demotivated if you are losing money. If you don't have a budget of $3,000, go out there and get a job and get $3,000. And then you have a job as well that you can replenish your budget. Okay, so you're not making silly decisions because your budget is getting low. And keep the momentum if you're not finding success. Okay, keep the momentum by understanding you are building a skill set and you are investing in data. If you want to do e-commerce, focus in on it 100%. Accept that it's not going to be easy, and accept that you are going to face so many difficult problems. Okay, the amount of problems I have faced, like, incredible. Okay, and the people that succeed are the people who are prepared to face those problems. I was overseas earlier this year and PayPal put a hold on my account and held about $50,000 of my money while I was overseas. That was a massive problem. I had to figure out a way to get around that problem. Okay, the easy way out was just turning my store off. Okay, the harder way around was trying to find a way to navigate a huge cash flow problem. That's the key. People that succeed will face problems. People that don't succeed may find very short-term success, but it will be very short-lived. Accept that it may take a while for you to become profitable, but understand that you are building a skill set and a mindset that will allow you to be successful long-term. Okay? You don't want to just be lucky. You don't want to just have a flash in the pan success. You want the skill set and the mindset to be able to go out and replicate that in e-commerce. If e-commerce for some reason changes one day, you want to be able to have that skill set that you can take. You have a profitable skill set that you can go out and conquer any business model you want. Okay, go do affiliate marketing. Go create your own products and sell your own product. There's so much potential out there once you have a good skill set. So focus on the skill set, not just some short-term success. Okay, so focus on becoming better. Understand that the profit will come when you become better. It's very hard to make profit without skills. If you do make profit without skills, then you are lucky, and you are most likely not going to be able to replicate your success. Okay, because you are lucky, it happens. Some people just come out and they do find success with e-commerce straight away. Okay, but a lot of the time these people are lucky and they're not able to replicate the success because they don't have the skill set. And the first time they face a problem, which is guaranteed you will face problems, you are starting a business, they're going to quit. Or if they don't quit, they're going to struggle to replicate that success. So just be aware of that. All right. Now moving forward, if you did get some value from this video, please like, comment, and share it. Come and join the E-commerce Revolution Facebook group. The link is in the description. And if you do need some extra help, I really recommend that you check out the Quick Start Pack. I created it as an affordable solution to really help people who are struggling a little bit to move in the right direction. Okay, because I know when I was starting out, you don't want to get some ridiculously high-priced course, none of that. A lot of time you need to spend that money on budget when you're starting out. Okay, so I created this as a really affordable solution to just help people out and get people moving in the right direction. So if you want a bit of extra help, I encourage you to go check out the Quick Start Pack. And that's it from me, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.